Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. I'm Lauren Rabin. On today's show, our featured ingredient is broccoli, and we'll be making broccoli, cheddar, and turkey bacon corn muffins and pan-charred broccoli with crab gremolata and aioli. Joining us in the kitchen today is Dr. Jami Avellini, an OBGYN from St. Luke's University Health Network, and Chef Anthony Bonett from Moshulu.
So we're just going to mix in the egg and mix in all this stuff. So if you ladies want to go ahead and mix the liquid ingredients in here and stir it together,
Sure,
I'm going
why
to
don't
blanch
you
the
go ahead?
broccoli.
All right.
We have the broccoli for the adults, which is cut kind of just like bigger spears.
Okay.
And the broccoli that's going to go in the muffins is chopped up for the kids. So
And what does blanching do?
the blanching is just really just the cooking of it and the pre-cooking, and then you can finish cooking it any way you want. So if we put this raw broccoli into the muffins, it would just kind of be crunchy and raw. You want to have some par cooking to it. You can go ahead and mix your cheese in there too at this point.
Let's
You
put
can
the
mix
cheese in.
the turkey bacon, and the whole muffin's going to cook to temp, so the turkey bacon will come to temp. Our broccoli is cooked for our muffins.
And you're adding a nice amount of broccoli to
Yeah,
these
and I think
muffins.
it's
What are
just-
some of the health benefits of broccoli?
Oh, broccoli is one of the superfoods. So it's
superfood.
it's full of a lot of nutrients and vitamins, especially K and vitamin C.
And calcium too, right?
Oh, absolutely, yep. And
So if you're on a
calcium.
dairy-free diet or you have dairy allergies, I think broccoli is
It's
a
a great source.
Right.
Absolutely.
So here's our final muffin mix.
That was so easy. You know what I love about this recipe? It's like a one-bowl muffin
Exactly.
mix. We didn't
Easy.
have to dirty lots of dishes,
Absolutely.
mixing in different dishes. It's all done in that one big
We have a
bowl.
muffin tin here, so if you ladies want to start putting our muffins in the muffin
Sure.
tins. We have our other broccoli in here blanching, and we're going to pull that out. We're going to go ahead and finish sauteing it in the pan and add the remainder of the ingredients to it, okay?
Okay.
So for this, we're going to use some butter.
And a little bit of butter is always okay. Essential
Absolutely.
fats.
Be careful putting the wet broccoli in with the hot pan. It'll splatter a little bit. And you can see I cut them kind of big. So you want the cut part to almost like brown a little bit. And I think at this point we could season a little bit.
Should we put these in the oven? They're all done.
Yeah, let's go ahead. Our oven's at 350, getting a little bit of color on our broccoli. So we're going to go ahead and start putting the remainder of our ingredients in here. We have some shallots.
Shallots.
Okay,
for
they're just
flavor.
cut small. Did something different. We have roasted garlic instead of regular garlic. We have my favorite secret ingredient for broccoli is a little anchovy. Put a couple. It adds a really nice kind of like umami flavor.
And a little bit of omega-3.
Right? Yep.
Okay, we have capers.
Good fats.
Let's put the lemon in. That was the zest of one lemon. We're going to put the crab meat in at the end. The crab meat is fully cooked,
Okay.
so we just kind of want to warm it up with the other flavors.
And if you don't have any crab meat at home or you can't find any, what can you use as
Easy
a
to omit.
substitute?
You can easily do some nice diced shrimp. It could be even like nice canned tuna,
I
olive
was
oil.
just gonna ask that,
Olive
if you
oil
could do
canned
canned
tuna would
tuna.
go great with these flavors.
I'd never think to saute tuna, but to put it in the
Yeah.
pan is such
Okay.
a great idea. And who
Look at
doesn't
the
have
nice-
a can of tuna?
Look at the
at
nice
home?
color of our broccoli now.
Do you think this is something you would make as a young
Absolutely.
new mom? Yeah.
I love seafood. I'm a
Do you?
big seafood fan. So is my husband.
Really?
And we've introduced it to our son already.
And another one-pan dish. We put everything into one pan. We didn't
Yes.
dirty a lot of dishes.
No,
This is very easy
I love the
cleanup.
one-pan dishes. I'm a big fan of them.
And I think that's something that a lot of new families want to hear, that they can do
Absolutely.
that. They can make these gourmet meals very easily.
Okay.
Let's dig into these muffins.
Go ahead,
It's
try the
delicious.
muffins. I'll
Okay.
cut the broccoli.
I'm just going to use my hands.
Go ahead. Why not? Okay.
Oh, wow.
You good?
Oh, they're delicious.
Work.
I love them.
Let's try the
All right, let's
broccoli.
try the broccoli.
Let's get down to real business.
Really good. The broccoli isn't so strong tasting in those, so I think together it makes a delicious meal.
Right.